Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Victor the Analyst. So today we're going to be talking about how to format your reports page. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to subscribe and to like this video. Thank you very much. So in this video we're going to learn how to format our reports page. So now the first thing we're going to do now, this is our reports view. So if you're not in this page where I am right now, just click on the reports view. So it's going to bring you here. Now we're going to click on this, our visualization pans. Then from there I'll click on this, my format your reports page. So we have all this information here, but we are going to be dealing with this canvas settings and background settings. We are not going to touch the wallpaper. So in this my canvas settings, this is where you can actually change the size of your reports. We can put it in letter. So if I put it in letter, you can see this is where my dashboard will be. So we don't want letter, we're going to change it to 1619. So this is the size of my reports. Now the vertical alignment, we have top and we have middle. So I'm going to choose middle. You can see this actually is centered to the middle. So I will close this, then I'll go to the canvas background. Now this way you can change the color of your background. So I'll come here to pick my color that I'm going to use it as my background. I'll do Windows Shift and C. So what may I use in doing this is that there's something they call it Power Toys. So it's Power Toy. This is the software used for picking and colors. So that's it, Power Toy. So go look for it in your what's it called? Go look for it in your Windows store. You can get it there. So it's used for picking colors. So I will just copy this. My color code is DCEEE and 6. So I'll go back here and come back to my, then just close this. Now background, canvas background, on the default it comes as white, so we can change it the color to our specified color that we want. So I'll just do Ctrl V. I have the color code already on my clipboard, so I'll just do Ctrl V, then I paste it there. Now click outside here. So you can actually bring in image as well, but I don't bring in image. Why? Because I feel like image is actually too large, so it's going to be dragging my system, but I don't bring in image. But you can do that at your own. Now this transparency, now we change this color to this, but you can see that there's no effect showing because this transparency is actually into 100%. So I'm going to click this and drag this here. So now we have this. So this is 14%. Let me just take it to 0%. Now we have this. So you make sure you drag this to 0%. Then I will just close my this pan. So you can see now that is how you can actually edit, or let me say format your reports page. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.